I'd like to leave this section by sharing with you one helpful habit that you might find useful to build into your toolkit. And it's so simple that we very often overlook it. It's the habit of noticing. And I just want to say a very few words about what it is and why it matters, and then I'm going to leave you in peace. Not least because one of the things I'm noticing right now is that I'm beginning to get very tired after recording all of these videos, and my brain is distinctly ego depleted. So when I'm talking about noticing, I'm simply meaning beginning to tune in and pay attention to what we are experiencing, whether that's at certain points during the day or moment by moment as you get slightly better at it. And the really interesting thing about noticing is that you're trying to adopt the role of an observer. So noticing is different to deciding. Noticing holds the space to be curious and neither arrive at one conclusion nor another about what's happening, just observe what it is and the impact that that seems to be having. And therein lies its power. When we choose to begin to notice with curiosity rather than judgment, we begin to feel a little lighter about some of what we might actually observe. We might notice that some things feel better for us than others. We might notice that we seem to cope with certain things better than others. We might notice things about other people. We might notice things about our inner state. The crucial thing is that we don't need to take it any further than that. We don't need to arrive at what that means or at any conclusions or make any decisions. We can simply hold it lightly, gently, compassionately. Now, I'd encourage you perhaps to begin with just to give yourself some reminders at certain points in the day where you just like to tune in and notice. Of course, for those of you that are already quite good at that, you may want to begin to see if you can notice in real time. Of course, the other type of noticing, which is retrospective, we call that reflecting. That's pretty cool too, and we can take loads of learnings away from reflection. So there we are. Helpful habit for the week, noticing. Give it a try and see what you can see.